Good news, YouTubers. I want to show you 3 places you can promote your own YouTube videos for free. And you're going to be getting more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. Imagine having to get more views, more subscribers, more watch hours by promoting your videos in these 3 places for free. And the most amazing thing about this method is that this is the exact place that your big YouTubers are also promoting their own videos. People like VVIQ, Make Money Maths, Adams EV, and a lot of them like that. So if these big YouTubers can actually be promoting their own videos, despite the fact that they have big subscribers count, they have massive views on their channel, but you as a small creator, as a new YouTuber, that you're still trying to grow, you're still trying to get that audience, get the visibility, you are not promoting your videos. Can you see that you are also leaving a lot of views on the table? You are leaving visibility on the table. And that is why I've decided to make this video, so that you can start promoting your videos from now on. So if you're tired of uploading videos here on YouTube, you're not getting views, you're not getting the recommendation, then you may want to stay with me on this video, because I'm going to show you these 3 places you need to start promoting your videos from now on. Anytime you upload your videos, make sure you promote your videos on these 3 places for free. All right, and it is going to drive traffic to your main channel for more views, more watch hours, and more subscribers. But before we head into that, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Bukky. On this channel, I share tips that can help you grow very fast on YouTube, and also share tips and things you need to avoid as a YouTuber, so you don't land your channel into trouble. So if you're willing to grow your channel very fast, you want to subscribe to this channel for more tips, give this video a like, and lastly, don't forget to drop me an amazing comments in the comment section. And with that being said, let's just head straight into the main video. Now, for the first place to promote your videos to get views, you need to go to your YouTube app. Okay, so I'm just going to open my YouTube app. Now at the bottom of the interface, we have home, shorts, plus icon, subscription, and your profile picture. So you want to click on your profile picture. Now you're going to see this. Once you click on your profile picture, the next place you want to click on is your videos. So this is my channel. I'm just going to click on videos, so that I can actually look for the video that I want to promote. So you can also do this on your channel. Just look for a video that you would like to promote, and this method also works if you have older videos, probably videos you've uploaded 3-4 months ago that you've not promoted. So you can actually promote videos using this method, right? So I'm just going to use this particular video, how I get YouTube to recommend my video. I've not promoted that video, so I'm going to be using it for this tutorial. Now once you see the video you want to promote, just click on the video. Now once you click on it, as if you want to watch the video, you're going to see these 2 icons. One is the like icon, and the other one that looks like the share icon. So you're going to click on the share icon, and then you're going to see this interface, right? Copy link, create post, and remix. What you're going to be using to promote your video is the remix icon. So now just click on remix, and then you're going to see this edit into short, sounds, collab, green screen, and cut. So you're going to be using edit into shorts. Right now it's going to process, and it is going to bring you to this interface. Now at the top of the interface, you can see we have 15 seconds, but 15 seconds will not be enough for you to promote your video properly. So you want to click on that 15 seconds, so that it is going to bring 60 seconds. Now once it brings 60 seconds, you're going to come down to this other place, and you want to drag this thing to be able to capture the very catchy part of the video. Right now, once you have the very catchy part of the video in this remix, now next thing you want to click on is layout, and it is going to process like this. And yeah, now we have it. You can see select layout at the top. Now we have single, we have split 1, split 2, split 3, and I think the third one or the fourth one. So the one I usually like to use is either split 1 or split 3. I'm just going to go with split 1, and you can see this is how it looks like. Now the next thing you want to do is to use your 2 finger to adjust the image to stay at the middle. Okay, you don't want your face or your videos not showing properly. So after you're done with that, the next thing is click on continue, and it is going to process to the next interface. Now what you want to do next is add a call to action. This is very important. Okay, you see these icons we have at the left. Click on text where you can see AA, and you will want to write something very catchy to make people click Okay, now I'm just going to click the link for full video, and I added this finger sticker to it. Now you can also adjust the size of the text using this particular icon. Once you're done, the next thing is click on next, and it is going to process and take you to the next interface. You're going to see this add details. The first thing you want to do is click on that pencil icon to choose a very catchy part of the video as your thumbnail. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. You can just click on any part of the video and use it as your thumbnail, and after you're done, click on the mark sign and it will bring you back to this interface. Now you want to write a very catchy title. Okay, so I'm just going to type how I get views on YouTube. Now the next thing you also want to click on is show more. You also want to make sure that the video itself is on public. Okay, now after you've confirmed this is the most important part of this method: related video. Okay, now once you click on related video, it is going to take you back to all your videos. You're going to select the video which you took that remix from. Okay, so that way you are automatically promoting the longer video. Now the next thing is click on AI use, if it's for AI use, if your video is AI use or not. So mine is not, so I'm just going to click on no. Then the next thing is click on upload video. Right now I want to show you the benefit of this. Let me take you to my YouTube studio to show you how promoting my videos through this method has been helping me. So I'm using this video. You can see how viewers were able to find this video. Now apart from the fact that most of my views came from the YouTube recommendation, you can see under direct and unknown we have remixed video. Look at the views that I was able to generate just by promoting my video, just by using the remix feature. I've been able to get 989 views, almost 1,000 views. So you see that this method actually works so well. So if you've not been using this method to promote your longer videos, you want to quickly start doing this right now on your channel because it is working. Now to the second method you can use to promote your videos to get more views on YouTube. Still go back to your YouTube app, look for any video you want to promote and click on it as if you want to watch the video. Now still go back to this share icon. You're going to see copy link, create post and remix. This time around you're going to click on create post and you're going to see this interface. It will automatically copy the link of that video to this interface, and the next thing you want to do is to write a very catchy caption. Now this is like you selling your business. If you own a business, you need to actually run adverts so that people can buy or patronize you. So this is exactly what you're doing. Just make sure to write something very catchy to make people go and click on the long form video to watch it. All right, so I'm just going to do that. Now next thing is to click on post. And another thing, you can also schedule your post, assuming you're not online and you also want to promote your videos. All you just need to do is click on the three dots you can see beside public, and then you're going to see this interface. It is going to require you to choose a date and the time you want the post to go live. So you can just choose your desired time and date when you want this post to go live. So whether you're not on YouTube at that time, it will still go live and people can see it and it will start promoting your videos. And once you're done, just click on done at the top and then click on schedule, and that way you've been able to schedule your posts. Now take a look at this creator. This creator is also a big YouTuber, but he always promotes his videos using this particular method. So this is to tell you that if this method was not working, he wouldn't be promoting his video on his channel using this exact method. So if you've not been doing it, please start doing it on your channel. It really helps in bringing traffic to your videos. Now to the third place you can promote your YouTube videos to be able to get more views, get more traffic, get more watch hours is social media. You can use either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok or WhatsApp to drive traffic to your channel. Now this particular method works so well if you do it strategically. You know a lady here on YouTube that she was able to grow her channel from 0 to 30 something subscribers within a month, and what she did was she was able to drive traffic from her TikTok account and her Instagram account to her YouTube channel, and this was how she was able to grow her channel very fast, and she gets massive views on her channels as well. If you're on any of these platforms, use them to promote your YouTube videos. And that is why I have a WhatsApp community where small creators meet to help each other grow. Okay, so if you're interested, the link will be in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. Now this particular method works so well if you know how to do it. Do not spam your links everywhere. Use this method strategically and you're going to see results on your channel. So this will be the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.